YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Tonight's video, I'm shooting now, but this was probably going to be for Stock Rock Sunday. This is a Sargent mortise cylinder. This is the key. It's got Sargent ASSA Abloy writ on it. Must be another company ASSA Abloy owns, but it works lovely with the key. And let's see if we can get it picked on camera. I have picked this before, in fact I've just made the video, and because I'm that tired, what I've did is I've picked it, but when I've gutted it, none of the gutting is actually in frame. Like an absolute retard. Never mind, we'll see if we can get it back on again. So yeah, I'm working away. Stopping in Lancaster. I'm just going to use that pick. Got a kitchen that I'm fitting. I should be finished tonight. So number 2 is binding. You get some really nice clicks off this lock, so I'll shut up. 2, 3 slack, 4 is binding. Let off the tension just slightly to get at 5. Back to the front. One's picked. Overset. Slight little bit of movement. Under 3. 4's binding, 4's set. Let off the tension again for 5. Clicked on 3 just as I was coming through. Another click. There's threading in this lock, as I found out before. The video before this. Should be just something that just needs a little tap now. 1. Not an extremely difficult pick, but it's a nice little lock for Stock Rock Sunday. That's her picked. I'm going to lock the back up because I have got the key. The only thing I haven't got is a screwdriver with this, a flathead screwdriver that is. We can improvise. So if any of you are looking for an extra group to follow on Facebook, we do have Lock Sport Anonymous, which is a really fun group to be in actually. There's a lot of good lads in there, there's a lot of good pickers. So do head over. This is what it's called here, Lock Sport Anonymous. All the links are in the bottom. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, then it's Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And also please subscribe to this video. I do try and knock as many videos out as I can. I just went quiet over the last week or so because I've been busy with work, like. But normally I'm quite regular with me posts, my videos, sorry. So please do subscribe. Are we out? Are we out? Are we out? There she is. It's like deja vu for me, this is. Let's see if we can have the pins actually in frame this time. That's it all working, look. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get them set up just a little bit better. If we look inside there, you can see the threading in 6, 5, 4, 3. In fact, has it all got threading? I don't know if this has been stock done or somebody else has had a bash at it. Yeah, it's all got some stuff in it. Every single one of them, somewhere or another. Made it a little bit more interesting. And in here we have, in one, a shim. Look, we've got a shim. Standard, 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 and last but not least, standard. Might as well have everything out there. All looks to be new spring, so maybe someone did have a bash at making this into a little bit of a harder lock, I'm not sure. But they look awfully new springs compared to the pins, wouldn't you say? Right, so if you liked the video and you'd like to see more of my videos of high security locks being picked, please subscribe, like, and I really appreciate all of your comments. I'm going to give you a quick zoom in. That's the pins. That's the key, or keys. And thanks again, Mark Archer, for the locks, mate. Thank you. Bye for now.